Come over with you. We're stuck in the rain. Where?
That's a nature realm.
Oh, you seem so happy.
You're stuck in the rain.
Yes, but look what we're under. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
It's not a tree. It's like,
Fine.
yeah, a bunch of vines. There's one over there. Ew, the screen's getting wet. One over there.
I know that's on a phone.
What?
The video.
The video's on a phone?
Yeah.
So?
Not on like an actual camera.
So?
I don't know.
My hair getting in my face. Hard to do, just holding it out. I'm cold.
Water's cold.
And it's 70 degrees. And yesterday, or 2 days ago, it was 92.
I know.
Okay, you can hold it now. I'm done. I'm trying to hold you up so I don't get wet. What? I'm gonna go out there. That feels so good.